Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain the projections of straight lines contained by both the reference planes. The pictorial representation of a straight line contained by both horizontal plane and vertical plane is shown here. From this diagram we can understand that the only possibility to locate the straight line capital PQ in both the reference planes is keeping the line on the XY line itself, since the XY line is common to both horizontal plane and the vertical plane. Now let us find the projections of the given problem. The pictorial representation of the given problem is shown here. From this diagram we can understand the true length of the straight line capital PQ is 70 mm. We can also understand that to locate or to represent the straight line capital PQ, we don't require the above distance from the horizontal plane or the in front of distance from the vertical plane. Both the values become 0. To obtain the front view of the straight line capital PQ, we need to observe the line from the front and the line need to be projected onto the vertical plane. Since the line is already located on the vertical plane, we need not project it further and the same line will become its front view. And the front view must be denoted using the corresponding lowercase letters P dash Q dash. To obtain the top view of the line capital PQ, we need to observe the line from the top and the line need to be projected onto the horizontal plane. Since the line is already located on the horizontal plane, we need not project it further and the same line capital PQ will become its top view, and the top view must be denoted using the corresponding lowercase letters PQ. After obtaining the top view on the horizontal plane, we need to rotate the horizontal plane along with the top view line into 90° clockwise. Since the top view line small pq is already located on the XY line, the orientation of the top view line will not change, but it will remain unaltered. Now this will become the final solution, and the final solution need to be drawn on a 2D plane or on a 2D paper. Now let's verify the final solution using quick tips. When a line is lying on the horizontal plane or when it is contained by horizontal plane, its front view will be obtained on the XY line itself. In the same way, when a line is lying on the vertical plane or when it is contained by the vertical plane, its top view will also be obtained on the same XY line. When a line is lying on both the reference planes or when it is parallel to both the reference planes, the length of the front view as well as the length of the top view will be equal to its true length. Since the line is lying on the horizontal plane, its above distance will be equal to 0. Since the line is also lying on the vertical plane, its in front of distance will also become 0. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the like button and give your comments. Also click the subscribe button to get the notifications on new videos in this channel. Visit this channel for more such videos.